What up, Tube? Today's Thursday. What is it? June 14th, I think. Tomorrow, rent's due for the house. I mean, the mortgage. Trying to get to work. So, I've been noticing throughout the social media, big topic of the week is a new cordless 5-star cordless. So that seems to be the topic for the next couple of days, I guess, or even weeks maybe. I don't know. It's the machine that's dropping throughout the nation right now. Everybody seems to be getting it. I noticed on Instagram and a lot of YouTube videos dropping with the review of that machine. So, of course, I'm going to come out with my own review. It will come out probably next week or the week after, because I do want to give this machine a thorough using before I actually give you guys my professional opinion on it. But I used it yesterday. Yesterday I did a pretty extensive review on it, but somehow or another I erased all my material. I do a lot of my vlogging with my phone, guys, so I mean, when you're vlogging with your phone, it's just you're constantly putting data on there and erasing, and sometimes you erase the wrong stuff. So I don't know what happened, but somehow I lost my data yesterday. So I did a small, shorter vlog, mostly just a outro with a video of me cutting with the machine. But today I'll do a little bit more thorough on it and show you guys the machine a little bit better, and I'll give you guys a better view of it. But the real review won't come out till next week, guys. All right. I'm headed to the shop. Today is Thursday again. It's my first day of the week. I worked yesterday because I was covering for one of the boys, but today I think we're gonna have a full crew. So I'm gonna try to get some things done today if we do have a full crew and it's not as busy. Like, I need to go get my truck washed. This thing's disgusting. It needs to get washed really bad. But I'm headed to the shop right now. It is 8:30. We open at 9, so I'm a little early. I'm gonna stop and get some donuts for me and one of the boys, and then I'm gonna head in there and get this day started. Grind on, gentlemen. If you guys ain't up, remember, if you guys ain't up, something wrong with you. Motivation. It's been a little slow today at the shop. Not too much going on. I know it's gonna be a busy weekend because Father's Day, but today I got a full crew. Everybody showed up to work today, so got nothing to complain about. A full crew, and always been staying busy. I've been kind of just doing things here and there, doing some paperwork and stuff. Came to the bank right now. I'm gonna go wash my truck right now. I have a little free time. It's not too busy at the shop, so it's just something I haven't been able to do in over a month. Even since I came back from Laughlin, I haven't gotten it done. So I'm gonna take it right now to go get pimped out. That'll take about an hour probably. Then after that, I'll probably head back to work. See if anything else is going on over there. If it's not too busy, I might just take the rest of the afternoon off. I don't know. We'll see. No big deal, guys. It's calm before the storm. Because, trust me, it will be busy the rest of the weekend. With it being Father's Day, it's always busy on Father's Day. Alright, guys. I'm going to sign out. I'll get back with you guys in a little while. Had to do it. Had to bring the truck. Hadn't got washed for over a month. Went to Laughlin and everything. Filthy. Gonna get sick makeover right now. Well, just got done washing the truck. That was a mission. Took like an hour and a half for them, but it was filthy, super filthy. It was ridiculously filthy, but it looks good now. It looks clean. Just picked up some lunch for the boys. They've been holding it down at the shop. They actually got pretty busy, so I'm gonna head over there and see if there's any haircuts for me to do. I let the boys all try out the new machine, see what they think. So they've been working with it. They're all been trying it out, and so far, great response, man. I like. It's a badass machine. I love it. The cordless, the Wahl cordless, guys. If you guys ain't got it, I suggest you guys go out and buy that. That thing is badass. So I'm gonna head back to the shop, see what I can get into over there. Got another thing knocked off the list, which was washing my truck. Takes time, guys. I didn't have my day off yesterday, so I decided to go over there and handle it. So I'm glad I did it because it smells good, looks fresh, and I feel like I'm on top of the world again. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back to the shop. Get back with you in a bit. Guys, that's it for today. And it turned out to be a pretty busy day. I went back to work and got pretty busy, guys. It turned out to be a great day for the shop. It's Father's Day weekend. What do we expect? You know, it's gonna be a busy weekend this week. I expect it to be very busy tomorrow and Saturday. I work on Sunday. I know Father's Day. I'm a father. You're a father, but you know, the shop must be open. So I will be open from 8 to 12 p.m. So I do this all the time. I don't really close on holidays. It's just customary for me. That's the way I run my business. But with that being said, guys, I'm headed I'm headed home already. That's it for today. Tomorrow's Friday. See you guys mañana. Hey, subscribe. Hey, give me some comments, questions, Q&A later. Got it all cleaned up today. Looking fly. Raider. Silver and black, baby.